The Margao Principal District and Sessions Court has convicted Vikat Bhagat for the murder and rape of an Irish woman who was killed in 2017 at Konkani.
We, as Danielle's family and friends, are so thankful to both embassies, public prosecutors, lawyers and investigating officers involved in our fight for justice. They have treated her like their daughter and have tirelessly fought for her. We are so thankful that their hard work has paid off and that Vikat has been found guilty of taking Danielle from us. We have lost nearly 8 years of our lives fighting for Danielle, and we are so thankful that we can now start grieving her immeasurable loss. She made the most of her 28 years and lived every day to the fullest. She was so kind and always so happy. She didn't deserve what he put her through. We are so grateful to have been able to be here for the verdict and to see Goa that Danielle loved so much.
The court, while reading the operative part of the judgment, contended that there is sufficient evidence to prove that Vikat Bhagat had committed rape and then he murdered the victim girl.
On the section of 302, that is murder, he was convicted. On the section of 376, which is rape, he was also convicted. And the matter has been argued on the circumstances for sentencing, whether to the aggravating circumstances and the circumstances to reduce his sentence. And the Honorable Court will decide on the sentence on Monday morning.
On the other side, Defence Counsel pleaded the court to have a lenient view as Vikat Bhagat has a family.
On the point of sentence, the plea was that the plea is that, looking at the circumstance of the case, more so being circumstantial evidence, that the court should take a lenient view on the question of sentence.
After hearing both the sides, the court has reserved order for Monday on the point of sentence.
केशीच्या आयोन चौकशीविषयी प्रुडंटाक माहिती दिली.
So this case was initially investigated by Philomena Costa under guidance of then SP, means that former SP Semi sir and SP South Arvind Gaus sir, and whole South Goa police were utilized for this investigation initially, and thereafter I took investigation and I had filed charge sheet. Trial was very tedious and we had to secure presence of witnesses. In between there was a break for COVID also, and some witnesses were from outside Goa. So we luckily were able to, and witnesses also cooperated and they appeared on the dates and deposed properly, and there were local witnesses, so they also helped us, they deposed properly, and we are thankful for all the witnesses, for local witnesses as well as other witnesses who were involved in this case for supporting the case.
With Savio Dias in Margao, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.